Hello, welcome to the Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you receive tips and news on how to live well. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Access the first link in the description. Watch the video until the end because I will give you a golden tip. Does LeanBiome work? It's good? Let's talk a little about that now. If you too are struggling with weight and unsolicited advice from others has ruined your peace of mind, relax. There's a lot you can do to lose weight and improve your health if you nip the cause in the bud. Your gut health is a major contributor to body weight and visceral fats, therefore, improving it is essential. But the question is, how to do this? Fortunately, medical science has progressed enough, and today, we have dietary supplements that focus on the root cause of your weight gain. One such excellent product is LeanBiome, a food supplement that improves gut health and reduces weight without tiring you out. Want to know more about LeanBiome? If so, let's dig deeper and see what it can do for your health. LeanBiome is a dietary supplement focused on improving your gut health by balancing different types of bacteria. Since your gut harbors tons of microbes, it affects your body in more than one way, weight gain or loss being one of them. Medical studies that led to the discovery of LeanBiome proved that obese people had gut microbiomes that looked like stagnant swamps, which was a big reason for their weight gain. Therefore, LeanBiome was formulated to keep this stagnant load of gut biota in place. Once a person includes LeanBiome capsules in their life, they experience rapid and consistent weight loss due to improved gut health. The Dr. Robert Knight, professor of microbial ecology, has participated in several studies on gut biota and calls gut health a silent fat builder. When a person's gut health is out of balance, their metabolism freezes and they experience extreme weight gain. That's why LeanBiome focuses on your gut and melts away those troublesome bacteria. These capsules locate your hidden fat switch and drain excess weight without putting you into anything strenuous. Since LeanBiome capsules are GMO-free and safe, you can trust them for your weight goals and flush that stagnant swamp out of your body. What changes can LeanBiome bring to your life? Dropping those extra pounds isn't easy, particularly when you rely on these old-school tricks instead of cutting out the root cause. But this is not the case with LeanBiome capsules. These capsules balance intestinal pH, speed up metabolism and do not allow fat cells to accumulate in the body. If your weight is stuck in one spot, LeanBiome pods can make the pin move. This supplement melts away your body's unnecessary fat cells and doesn't let those cells rest. While the exact time this supplement takes to work on your body depends on many factors, it will still keep things moving. Weight gain is a struggle most of us face at some point in our lives. Our eating habits, lifestyle, genetics, age, and many other factors contribute to this problem. But one factor we rarely consider is our gut health, which disrupts our metabolism and triggers fat accumulation if ignored. That's what LeanBiome capsules promise to improve. This supplement is the result of extensive research, and people who have used it praise its effectiveness. If you are stuck at a certain weight and want to lose a few pounds, include these capsules in your routine. As LeanBiome is safe and highly tested, it won't put your health at risk, so you can trust it. Now I'm going to give you a golden tip: don't buy this product on any website because you can be deceiving. Access the link in the description of this video and access the official website of this product. Thanks for watching until the end. Leave your comment and like the video.